cross any sea, climb any mountain to reach our dream. We just have to believe, trust the voice that is whispering within. And no matter where we go, we'll be standing together as one. We are here, we are strong, finally found where we belong. Herbalife, round the world, come together, we are one. And we'll never give up, knowing we can make a change. Herbalife. We have walked through the